Alright, so picture this. You're driving to work before the sun's even up, and suddenly, out of nowhere, a bright green streak tears across the sky. That's exactly what happened to Jason Jenkins in Washington state, and lucky for us, his dashcam caught the whole thing. But here's the kicker, this wasn't just any random light show. It was a green fireball, a meteor burning up in the atmosphere. And let me tell you, this isn't just cool because it's a rare sight, it's a reminder of how small we are in the grand scheme of things. I mean, think about it, a tiny piece of rock from who knows where, traveling at insane speeds, puts on this spectacular display just for us. It's humbling, right? Now, what makes this really interesting is the color. Green fireballs aren't your average meteor. According to experts, the green hue comes from magnesium burning up in the atmosphere. Nickel can play a part too. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. These elements are common in space rocks, yet green fireballs are still relatively rare. It's like the universe decided to throw in a little extra flair just to keep us on our toes. Personally, I think it's a reminder that space is full of surprises, and we are only just scratching the surface of understanding them. What many people don't realize is how common these events are becoming in terms of sightings. With more dashcams and doorbell cameras around, we are catching these moments more frequently. But here's the thing, it's not that more meteors are entering our atmosphere, it's that we are better equipped to see them. It's a perfect example of how technology changes our perspective on the world, or in this case, the universe. If you take a step back and think about it, we are living in a time where everyday people are becoming accidental astronomers. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. This green fireball is just one of several recent meteor events. Last week, a 7-ton meteor lit up the Ohio sky, and over the weekend, another one broke apart near Houston, with a piece reportedly crashing through someone's roof. These aren't isolated incidents, they're part of a constant cosmic bombardment. Earth's atmosphere is like a shield, burning up most of these rocks before they reach us. But every now and then, one gets through. And that raises a deeper question, how prepared are we for a larger impact? It's not just sci-fi stuff, it's a real concern that scientists are actively studying. A detail I find fascinating is how difficult it is to find meteor remnants. Even if a fireball survives the fall, it looks like an ordinary rock. Unless it causes obvious damage, like crashing through a roof, it's nearly impossible to locate. This makes me wonder, how many of these cosmic visitors have landed unnoticed? Are there pieces of space rock sitting in fields or forests, waiting to be discovered? It's like a real-life treasure hunt, but instead of gold, you're looking for a chunk of the universe. Finally, let's circle back to Jason Jenkins. He got his dashcam for practical reasons, in case of an accident, but it ended up capturing something extraordinary. It's a great reminder that sometimes, the most amazing moments in life are completely unexpected. Personally, I think we should all take a page from his book, Keep Your Eyes Open, because you never know when the universe is going to put on a show. And hey, maybe invest in a dashcam. You never know what you might catch. So, here's my closing thought, these meteors aren't just random events, they're connections to the vastness of space. Every time one streaks across the sky, it's a reminder that we are part of something much bigger. It's easy to get caught up in our daily lives, but moments like these pull us out of that bubble. They make us look up, literally and metaphorically. So, the next time you see a strange light in the sky, don't brush it off. It might just be the universe saying hello. What do you think? Have you ever seen something like this? Let me know in the comments, I'd love to hear your stories.